Hi guys, today I'm bringing you my version of the chilies, chips and salsa. Here's the ingredients list, and you can also find it in the description box below, along with links to the items I use to help me make these dishes. So we're going to be using one 10-ounce can of fire roasted Rotel. We're going to pour that into the nutribullet. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of diced jalapeños from a jar. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to add half a teaspoon of cumin powder. And half a teaspoon of brown sugar. You're going to let this puree for 10 to 15 seconds. And the most important step of this recipe is you must refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. If you leave it in the fridge overnight and have it the next day, it's even better. Pour it into a bowl, serve it with some thin tortilla chips, and this tasty snack is ready to be enjoyed.